I'm Katie Metzger. I'm a master gardener, and I'm going to show you how I container garden. Thanks for coming along. It's only May 17th, but these onions, which are in, need to be kept moist. They're the only thing I have out here so far, and they were onion sets. But it is pretty easy to start onions. I recommend the Encyclopedia Botanica podcast to learn how to start onions. And these, of course, are long day onions. Made out of old wood laying around the property, lying around. And I'll be putting a broccoli or cabbage in each one. They're kind of decrepit right now. We're not frost free till June 8th here in Norwood, but they will be my future container. The hugelkultur bed twice a day. And I water my onion set bed twice a day. This is an indoor container plant. It's a Meyer lemon. It's my second year with it. You can see I've got a dolly to move it around into the best sun. Quarter turn every day. So all the plant gets good sun in my sunniest windows that I have put holes in. They're from Ace, and I recently cleaned them out from last year. I've got more in there, and I will fill these with the soilless media, and I will probably do tomatoes, broccoli, and cauliflower, or cabbage in these, as well as use my raised bed in the garden. These I will snug up to my house with tomatoes in them, most of them, on my southern side of the house. Barren and desolate south side of the house. We do have some asparagus growing down here, but this area will largely be used for setting tomatoes up against this nice hot wall. That way we can achieve that 90 to 95 degree temperature we need to get tomatoes to ripen, and we'll avoid the frost hopefully in the fall by using the walls of our log cabin as a heat. Thanks for joining us today for container gardening. My two biggest tips are: don't let your soil dry out in your container, and don't compress the soil in your container. Oh, and don't forget to fertilize. Enjoy your container gardening and have a great summer.